You're looking inside PNC Arena in Raleigh, North Carolina tonight, where the Dallas Stars take on the Carolina Hurricanes.
Line combinations he used in that win Friday night. Through the center right zone, Dallas on the attack. Devin Shore has a trailer. Tyler Seguin, nice stop by Darling. Now Dan Hamhuis will whistle one wide.
Darling, two really good stops here on the blocker side, attacking on Seguin, and then one on Hansel after Lindholm was not able to get the puck deep.
Shore all the way back for Klingberg. Top of the ring now, they get control. Seguin this way for Alexander Radulov. His shot grazes the post, and it goes out of play.
Everything that he indicated right here. I'm passing, I'm passing, I'm passing. Now all of a sudden you see the room on the short side.
Radek Faksa, drop pass for Klingberg, anticipating that. Teravainen, here come the Hurricanes. Jordan Staal, here's Aho, all alone, he scores! There it is, goal number 1 for Sebastian Aho.
Heck of a play. All of a sudden, the defenseman Klingberg is caught. The other defenseman falls, and Aho is on the board. This is a huge goal for a variety of reasons. Undressing Bishop with the move to the backhand.
Jacob Slavin forced a bit by Smith. And on the boards, Elias Lindholm. Good pass for Victor Rask. Open ice. Skinner's in for a chance. Shut down by Ben Bishop. Breakaway, partial breakaway for Mr. Skinner on his backhand. And Ben Bishop comes up big. Broken up by Klingberg. Away go Dallas. Matthias Janmark. He has good speed. Here he comes. Just wide as it leaks through. And his lead pass finds the stick of Van Riemsdyk. Now Derek Ryan. Ryan over the line. Moves in, a drop pass finding Hanifin to the outside of Ben. Noah Hanifin circles the wagons out in front. Good stop by Bishop on the chance by Trevor Van Riemsdyk. Second and final meeting this season between these two teams. Dallas starting a road trip. They're in Florida tomorrow night. Through the slot, a shot taken by Devin Shore stopped. And Carolina attempting now to get it out. Elias Lindholm.
Watch his eyes, his mask. He never sees this. Nope. Hit my blocker. His blocker's in good position. Shore has the screen in front from Van Riemsdyk and company.
Carolina maintaining a 1-0 lead after an unsuccessful power play. Williams for McGinn. Right in. Off the goalpost. No, it went in. It did go in. A delayed reaction. Brock McGinn has scored again. Goals in 4 consecutive games, and Carolina appears to have a 2-0 lead. We will take a look at it, they'll review it, and we think it did not go in.
Oh, boy, you're just sitting there thinking 2 consecutive highlight reel second period backhand goals. He has Bishop beaten it. The question is, if the puck didn't go in, which it looks like unfortunately it did McGinn draw a penalty on the play?
Upon review of the play, there is no goal. The puck did not cross the goal.
Klingberg one more time. Here's Tyler Seguin. He'll advance his shot, stopped by Darling. The rebound's available. Sagan's got it. Radulov scores! Alexander Radulov with a power play goal.
Net front presence from Jamie Benn. He slides in, he gets a second chance. Darling makes the save with the stick. The retrieval from Seguin, and it hits something on the way in after Radulov gets it to the net quickly. Yes, it hits the stick, it looks like, of Marcus Kruger. I think it hits Kruger's stick. And does Shore get a piece too? I think it just went off of Kruger's stick, but Shore's tape was in the vicinity. Shore did a nice job. See if they can win it.
Canes coming off the overtime loss here against Chicago Saturday night. Dallas hasn't played since Friday night. Brock McGinn moving up out in front. Hit on Bishop. Off Justin Williams.
Now what does this go off of? Oh, it goes off of the Dallas player's skate.
From the back of the goal for Williams up top. Ryan around the horn. Slavin again. He'll walk it. A tip. Bishop says no. He's got it.
And just locate Skinner's tape here, and Bishop makes a fine save. And begin battling, but no rebound to be had. Well, good job of bringing that arm into the body. A lot of big goaltenders don't do that. There's space between the arm and the body, and that would squivel through.
Now it's dumped in all the way back down. From the boards, brought out by Jordan Staal. Diagonally across for Teuvo Teravainen. Here it comes. He scores! Teuvo Teravainen. He'll blast one home on the power play. Carolina takes a 2-1 lead.
It is the catch-up man, Aho, getting in on the forecheck. The support from Jordan Staal. And look at Lindholm plant himself. Not to the side of Bishop, but taking away his eyes. At least it looked that way. And Teravainen, see the flex on his stick, just blows it by Bishop. He was late tracking that great shot, couldn't catch up to it.
Face-off won by Jordan Staal. Shot out by Jacob Slavin, knocked out of midair by Teuvo Teravainen. He'll pull up. His shot scores! What a play! A couple of times by Teuvo Teravainen. First to get it, then to finish. 3-1 Carolina.
Teravainen's playing the best hockey of his Carolina Hurricanes career here in his second season. And you know what he did there? I'm not sure. His hockey IQ is very, very high. Did he think about just let Jordan Staal and Hamhuis get to the front of the net so I can create a screen? He also protects the puck to get it through, and I think maybe that goes off of the stick of Hamhuis.
Dallas just inside their own line. Janmark. Good work in the forecheck by Carolina, Sebastian Aho. Along the boards, dug out by Tyler Seguin. Regained by Staal. Teravainen has the hat trick. Teuvo Teravainen, have a night. 4-1 Carolina.
His first goal of the period was a slap shot. Right now the decisive goal in the power play. Aho makes a heck of a play. All three players on this line that has been electric. Aho, Jordan Staal, and of course the finisher Teuvo Teravainen. They're all going to get points on it. And you see he doesn't need any type of a windup as long as he has just a little bit of separation.
Jordan Staal had it. He lost it. Benn to the outside, getting it back from Seguin. Jamie Benn right in. Turned out again. Good save by Scott Darling. To the point. Greg Patter and a wrister. Darling's got it. It's available. And a great play collapsing on Tyler Seguin that time. Brett Pesce saved the day on that one. Lindholm up top. Van Riemsdyk. Skinner calling for it. His shot. Scores! Jeff Skinner puts it away with 2.6 seconds left. There's your exclamation mark, and that'll do it. So the Canes do atone the loss in Dallas on October 21st. That one was 4-3. They surround Scott Darling tonight. He's gone 3-0-3 in his last 6. Tonight they defeat the Dallas Stars 5-1.